Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about blockchain, the technology that will change everything. Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that can be used to create secure and transparent transactions. It's the underlying technology behind Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, but it has the potential to be used for a variety of other applications. What is blockchain? A blockchain is a distributed database that is shared among a network of computers. Each block in the chain contains a set of transactions, and each block is linked to the previous block by a cryptographic hash. This makes it very difficult to tamper with the data in the blockchain, as any changes would be immediately apparent to all users of the network. How does blockchain work? When a new transaction is made, it is broadcast to all nodes in the blockchain network. Each node then verifies the transaction and adds it to its own copy of the blockchain. Once a certain number of nodes have added the transaction to their blockchain, it is considered to be confirmed. The confirmation process is what makes blockchain so secure. In order to tamper with a transaction, an attacker would need to control more than half of the nodes in the network. This is very difficult to do, as there are thousands of nodes in most blockchain networks. What are the benefits of blockchain? There are many benefits to using blockchain technology. Some of the most notable benefits include 1. Security. Blockchain is very secure, as it is very difficult to tamper with the data. 1. This makes it a good choice for applications where security is paramount, such as financial transactions and supply chain management. 2. Transparency. Blockchain is transparent, as all transactions are recorded on the blockchain and can be viewed by anyone. 2. This makes it a good choice for applications where trust is important, such as voting and land registry. 3. Efficiency. Blockchain can be very efficient, as it eliminates the need for intermediaries. 3. This can reduce costs and improve speed. What are the challenges of blockchain? There are also some challenges to using blockchain technology. 1. Complexity. Blockchain is a complex technology, and it can be difficult to understand and implement. 2. Cost. Blockchain can be expensive to implement, especially for large-scale applications. 3. Energy consumption. Blockchain can be energy-intensive, as it requires a lot of computing power to verify transactions. Blockchain is a powerful technology with the potential to revolutionize many industries. However, it is still in its early stages of development, and there are some challenges that need to be addressed before it can be widely adopted. I believe that blockchain has the potential to change the world, and I'm excited to see how it is used in the future.